All right, so this video is just a quick note for chapter 6 because we've been using these two things, substitution and transitive interchangeably on a lot of our proofs in the past. So that's fine because it was okay to do that in the past, but in this chapter it's actually not going to work anymore. So you have to make sure that we're doing that correctly. So I had an example in class I was talking about where maybe Rowan is stronger than Addie, right? And maybe Addie is stronger than me. So if that's true, then Rowan is probably stronger than me, right? And in the past, we could have used either or substitution or transitive in this situation, but now it's very specific, right? Substitution can only be used if you have equalities. These, by definition, since they have greater than signs, are all inequalities, right? Now, maybe I shouldn't have done that the way I did because it made it look like greater than or equal to, but these are inequalities. So if that's the case, this has to be transitive on your proof. You can't say substitution. So just something that we're going to have to know going forward, make sure that's what we're doing. Now, if I then said that Taylor, oops, put the I in the wrong place, Taylor is equal to Rowan, right? Then I would be able to say, oops, that Taylor is stronger than me as well, right? Because if she's equally strong to Rowan, then she's also going to be stronger than me. But this would be a different situation. Now that I have an equal sign mixed in, this is supposed to be substitution. Substitution is only used when you're substituting something equal to something else. So you cannot use substitution for the top example because if they're all inequalities, it's always transitive. You can't use transitive for the bottom example because transitive can't mix and match, right? If you have some things that are inequalities, some things that are equalities, you can't say transitive. You have to say substitution in that case. So I know that's a little bit confusing, but that's why I'm doing this video, just short video. But remember that as we go forward in our proofs.